Over 2,000 years ago, a divine light guided three wise men across vast deserts through nights of wonder and into the presence of eternal hope. Their journey was one of faith, guided by a celestial sign, as they sought to witness the arrival of a king and present their gifts with reverence. In this humble setting, they discovered the Savior, the light of the world. Their long journey found its fulfillment in awe and devotion. Epiphany reminds us of the divine revelation of Christ's light to all nations. This sacred day has been embraced by communities worldwide, connecting us in faith and unity. The gifts of the Magi, gold for kingship, frankincense for divinity, and myrrh for sacrifice, carry a powerful message of who Jesus is and what he represents. In Greece and Bulgaria, Epiphany is celebrated with the blessing of waters and the retrieval of a cross from icy rivers. This meaningful tradition reflects renewal, purification, and the enduring light of Christ. Around the world, many of us embrace this day by attending services, sharing meals, or taking part in special blessings, finding moments of joy and reflection. Just as the Magi followed the star, we are reminded to seek the light in our lives. Epiphany invites us to reflect on faith, unity, and the hope that shines brightly in all of us. Let this sacred day be a reminder that even in the humblest of places and humblest of times, the greatest gifts of love can be revealed. As we journey through life, may we carry the light of Epiphany in our hearts, illuminating the path for others, bringing genuine and authentic kindness, compassion, and love to a world in need. Together, let us embrace the hope that unites us and the faith that sustains us as we walk forward with courage, inspired by the divine revelation that continues to guide us all.